Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. Today we will continue learning key sounds of the letters of the alphabet. In today's lesson, we will focus on the letters S, T, and U. Let's begin with the letter S. S is a consonant. The most common sound of S is the teeth are together and air comes through the teeth to make the sound. Sandwich, sandwich. Kiss, kiss. List, list. Sam sat on the sofa snacking on a sandwich. Sam sat on the sofa snacking on a sandwich. Another sound of the letter S is from the combination of S and H. With SH, the sound is sh. The sound means quiet. Sh. And the teeth are all together and the lips are open as air comes through your teeth. Sh. Ship, ship. Shark, shark. Shell, shell. Sasha showed Sean his shimmering shells. Sasha showed Sean his shimmering shells. Let's move on to the letter T. T is a consonant. The most common sound for T is T. T. Again, it's an unvoiced sound, no vibration in your vocal cords. To make the T sound, you want your front teeth together and your tongue hits the back of your front teeth and pushes air through to make that sound. Train, train. Tattoo, tattoo. Toy, toy. Toy trains on tracks tooted around the tiny town. Toy trains on tracks tooted around the tiny town. The T, like the S, is often paired with an H. And that TH combination has two different sounds. There's a soft sound and a hard sound. The soft TH sound is unvoiced. There's no vibration in the throat. So it's like thick. Thick. Thank, thank. Thumb, thumb. Theo thrived thinking up math theorems. Theo thrived thinking up math theorems. The hard TH sound is voiced, meaning we use the vocal cords. So the position of the mouth is the same, but we go to create that the sound. Mother, mother. Weather, weather. My mother, father, and brother weathered the weather together. My mother, father, and brother weathered the weather together. Let's move on to the letter U. U is a vowel, and like all vowels, there's a long sound and a short sound. The long sound of the letter U has two different possible sounds. One is like you, and the other is just ooh. Use, mute, unicorn. Unicorns usually unite using universal music. Unicorns usually unite using universal music. Flute, or lute. Salute. Truthful recruits salute with flutes. Truthful recruits salute with flutes. The short sound of the letter U is It's voiced, You can hear the vocal cords vibrate. The sound comes from back in the throat. Nothing is touching in your mouth. Sun. Cut. Bug. The ugly bug runs in the mud under the sun. The ugly bug runs in the mud under the sun. And that's all for today's lesson. We learned the key sounds for the letters S, T, and U. Next time, we'll learn the key sounds for the letters V, W, and X. So come on back, keep practicing these sounds, and take care of yourself, and have a wonderful day.